Hi, today I'm in front of me Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge application and now let's select one from these available themes. Here tap to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of this theme, just swipe to the up or to the down to select it. Click to apply on the right down corner. If you want to change the shown time of the music controls, you should make it here just by slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on this panel. You can change also the notifications and calendar settings, so you can turn on or turn off them just to show them on the lock screen. To use the battery status always while they were charging or never on the lock screen. So let's tap to the 6 icon, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display section. We can also change here shown on lock screen time of the AOD option always while device charging. On music also we can use them separately. We can change screen time out from 1 minute just to never, to increase or decrease the brightness level, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can close it with a fingerprint or on screen off, and to set a schedule the start and the end time. And if you want to disable it during the calls, you can also make it here. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on Motorola phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.